Hi everyone, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room. I'm going to do a comparison in this video. I'm going to compare a money holiday setup to the actual money calendar setup. We're going to be looking over the holidays. Are there any pattern setups where a stock or an ETF has a good run before a holiday, run after a holiday, or a combination of a before and after date range in which a stock has a high percentage profit move higher or lower, and we can gauge the percentage success rate. But we also want to then compare it against the money calendar in the event that the money calendar still has the better setup by way of average profit move, percentage, or a combination of the two. So let's take a look real quick. We've got the money holidays. We'll click on money holidays, and let's just go ahead and type in under the stock the symbol NFLX. We're going to do a look back of 10 years. We're going to choose Christmas, and we'll leave it as the default says here, 10 days before, 10 days after. If you want to look at just 10 days before, click on the before tab. If you want to look at just the 10 days after, click on after. But if you want to bring in the bracket or the 10 days before and the 10 days after, click on the bracket and then left click on submit. It'll take a couple of seconds and then it will produce the results for you on the days before and days after, and look at which number day before to the number of days after we have for the average percent move and the average profit move and the accuracy. And we can sort by the average profit move. Let's look at the one that has the largest price move higher over that bracketed range, and you double left click on it because the first one goes lowest to highest and then the second click goes highest to lowest. So here you see 7 days before, 10 days after. It moves an average of 5.43% or an average profit of 7.06 points at a 70% accuracy. Now you can click on that and bring up the histogram type bars down below here, or the volume type bars, and you can click on the last bar or any of those 10 bars, one representing each of the last 10 years, and you can see the candlestick pattern that it's moved from the start date to the end date of this range. Now you see that it has a 7-point average profit move, 70% accuracy. Let's open up another tab and go to the actual money calendar. And what we want to do on money calendar is set it to December, because that's what we were looking at with the money holidays. December it is. Let's go down to, well, what is the 7 days, the 7 trading days, because that's the 7 days before Christmas. So if we bring up the calendar and we look at the 25th of December, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days before is December 16th. So let's look at a December 16th start date and see if there's a Netflix in there that might have better statistics than what the money holidays pattern showed us. And if we scroll to the top of the list, we actually see Netflix is there at the top of the list with a positive power meter. It has a start date of December 16th, an end date of January 23rd, so it goes further than the past 10 days, or the 10 days past Christmas. And its average profit is $17.30 with an accuracy of 90%. So in this regard, in comparing the two, I would lean towards this one here because it's a better accuracy, 90%, higher average profit move, and gives a little bit more time to work. Same start date, just a little bit longer to work, and more profit potential and a higher success rate. Now, if you look at the holidays pattern here, you'll notice that it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days before it started kicking in and ramping higher. So if we go to the money calendar and look at Netflix, and we bring up its pattern as well, scroll down to the last 10 years, profit and loss bars, click on that, and you can see as well it has the same similar pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days, the 7th day it started to take off. Well, if it's a start date of December 16th, so here's December 16th, let's go that 6 days forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days. So basically on Christmas Eve is when it really started to take off. You can go into money calendar. Let's just bring up another tab. Go into money calendar, look at a December 24th start date and see if there's anything there that might be worth looking at for Netflix with a December 24th start date. So here we have again December, go down to the 24th, left click on that date and see, well, there's Netflix again. And this one goes out till January 31st. A slightly bit more of a profitability there with a 90% accuracy. Maybe that's the one you choose. But if you do choose this one, recognize you're going to have to sit on your hands until December 24th to initiate this trade. Whereas if you want to go after some profitability right now, you can go ahead and choose this money calendar pattern setup with a start date of December 16th to January 23rd, trying to get at least an average profit move of 1730 or any type of profit in that ballpark there. But there you go, folks. When you are doing your money holidays, remember to go to your money calendar and see if there is a setup with money calendar on the same start date that might be a better, higher percentage accuracy and profitable potential. And then you can decide between the two. So there you go. Happy holidays, and we'll talk to you soon.